earn by time again. Current rate for it is $17.50 an hour, but I'm kind of an idiot because the very first order that popped up, I accepted without even looking at it. But now that I'm looking at it, it is really, really bad. It is Chick-fil-A going 8.5 miles. Thank you. Oh, and I forgot to mention, this is going across state boundaries, which is also really bad because everybody is heading to work right now. And the traffic is going to be crazy crossing that bridge. I 100% should have unassigned this one, but we've got the food, so too late for that. I've only made this mistake a handful of times, but I've regretted it every single time. Is this it?
Your destination is on the left.
On the left. Let me know if you guys ever do this, crossing state boundaries when you're doing this junk, and if it's such a big deal as it is for me. Total ended up being $12.50, so not too terrible, I guess. Mileage was still kind of cringe because I have to get back, but no, yeah, that was terrible. We've got the next order. This is going to Nectar Juice Bar. This is going to be 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Not really sure why that was put in a bag when I could put it in a cup holder instead. Now it's going to be all wobbly on my car seat. But okay. This place is closed. Or not. Total ended up being $8 for that one. That one wasn't too bad, right? I got this order right away. This is going to Burger King. I believe it said 4.5 miles. This place is not open, question mark? They don't open until 8 o'clock apparently. That is 10 minutes from now. Oh, I got paid $0 for that. Nice. I would get this as soon as I leave the area. We're going pretty much back to where I just was, like 10 minutes ago. We got a Wendy's going just under 4 miles. Too. Wendy's making me wait? What? I'm not sure who's worse, Chick-fil-A or Wendy's. Probably Wendy's, to be honest. Is this for you, or do you want me to just leave it up there? Yep. Total ended up being $7 for that one. Next order up, we're heading to Starbucks. This one is going 4.5 miles. Holy moly, this place is packed inside and out. Now this is only one drink, so what are the odds that I get a tip out of this? Let us find out. 0, by the way. 0. Oh, the answer is big fat 0. Total ended up being $5 though. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Walgreens. This is $7 going 4.5 miles, only one item. And then just a scribble in that box for me. I like your sweater, by the way.
Thank you.
Next order up, we've got a Chick-fil-A. This is $7 going less than 2 miles. for Lonnie. There's some for you. Okay, we switched off Earn by Time because the last two offers that they gave us, both were heading cross state lines once again. Oh, and I just got the next order. We got a shop and deliver for Target. This is $10 going 2.5 miles, 2 items. Already better than what I've been doing.
Thank you.
Yep. Maybe I'm wrong about this, but is it not possible to get shopping orders when you do Earn by Time? I mean, I could see that being an easy way to milk the system, so probably not. Or maybe that's just a coincidence, because it feels like I haven't been doing much shopping. The next order just came in. We've got a Voodoo Donut. This one is $19 and some change, going just under 9 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. All right, I don't know what happened, but on the drive back, I am just snoozing. So I think I need to go home and take a nap. Current time is 10:41. Total, we are at 76, which isn't that bad. I mean, it's not great, but I thought we were going to be a lot worse than that. I feel like we got very unlucky today. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.